This factory is a very professional factory, and everything is in a very high standards. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. I will reply you. And if you want to see any other places of this factory, you can tell me. I will show you in details. Now at this place is a reactor. We can see here is 8 reactors. All the 8 reactors are stainless steel.就是嘛，它现在这个8号炉，这个在转什么嘞？海渣嘞？啊，哦。Now this machine is running the discharging tar, the coal tar. The final product, except oil, there's another final product is coal. Discharging is going on now. We are doing group. We are specialized in manufacture with the tyre, with the plastic, and oil sludge pyrolysis machine. Today we are in the running site of coal tar pyrolysis machine. And this machine is same with oil sludge pyrolysis. It's different with tyre and the plastic because coal tar and oil sludge is very sticky, especially inside reactor to have cooking. And the cooking is very difficult to clean. So in this machine, we have special design for this material. It's automatic cleaning inside. And now in our factory, we are manufacturing another 13 sets, the same machine. So if you are interested in this business, welcome to visit to our factory. We will show you the inside structure. Or if now you are already in this business, you have any questions, you can leave a message to us and I will reply you. Or our sales manager will contact to you and answer your questions one by one. So this is the final product, oil tank. And this is the dedusting device. You can see China standards now is very high. This is our engineer doing group. This handsome man. This is the manager of this factory. Here is collecting coal. When finished discharge, they transfer from underground to this tank. And the truck will come directly in under this tank, and the load the material directly delivered to the buyers. Now let's see from reactor to the condensers. 周师傅，一会儿注意它的电量啊，尤其是返航的时候要注意点。刚才说导航已经偏了，别让它碰到哪儿了。We can see in this side, the furnace is different with the normal pyrolysis machine because their furnace is dual. It's dual furnace. I can use coal and also, if you want, can use wood. This one, coal will burn here, and the natural gas. They are using natural gas. Natural gas is born here. This is the natural gas. But right now, they are using natural gas only. See, this is a very high standard. This is the China standard because they are recycling oil. So the standard is different with tire or plastic. Everything is in order. Now we come to the condenser area. Discharge is from the back, or you can use the front side discharge. This will according to your design, the factory design. If you already have land and materials, you can send us your land design. Land size is okay, and your material. Then we will make a factory design for you. In this factory, the discharge is from backside. Then gas will go from here to this buffer chamber, and the condenser is on top of this frame. Later we will go to the top to see. But this factory they use the water tank for cooling. You can order the condensers with water tank cooling or with the tube condenser cooling. We can do both. Then after discharge, the coal or carbon black will come this way. From here, we can see from in the underground, they already put or conveyor. The conveyor is underground. From here, that is number 8, 7, 6, 5. And from that side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then goes to the middle. The conveyor is still underground. Underground, then go front. From here. Oh, we can see now. Discharge is going on. Here have little block. Finally, I see the final product. You know, in this factory, since they are just everything in order, sealed very well. So just now I want to see some final product, but I cannot see. Everything is sealed very well. From here it goes to the lifter. From lifter collecting to the tank. And the truck comes under this tank, collect the coal. If you are on site, you can hear there's some voice because inside the machinery is working. Lifting device is working inside.开好了。啊，他那个得给它卸下来。电池是吧？不是，电池也得卸。刚才那两个手柄。手柄卸下来卡到后边。这个转子是存在。这个摄像头有个罩子，在包里有个罩子。Look, we took very professional devices to take some pictures and videos. So later, if you want to see the video or some photos, you can ask our sales manager. We'll share with you. Welcome our new friends. Now you are in the lecture room of doing group for oil sludge and the coal tar pyrolysis machine. At this site, they have 8 sets stainless steel reactors from us. Now let me show you from the raw material. This is final product oil tank. In this factory, they have more than 20 sets big oil tanks. This is a very professional oil factory. This workshop is raw material storage. Let me introduce you from the beginning. Our new friends, welcome to our live showroom. If you have any questions, you can communicate with me. Or if you have any questions, I will answer you. Or you want to see anything in details, since now I'm on site in the factory, I can show you little by little. So this is from back side. Let's see the raw material. When the material comes, we'll put to this place. You can see this is a very heavy coal tar. When the material comes, it's already including some coal. So you can see here have a screen. The heavy coal will remain from here, and the liquid goes to the tank. This is not only one tank. You can see in this whole room, underground is all oil tank, all empty here, just a cover on the top. So in this room, it's full of oil. And when the machine need oil, you can see the pipes. This is the raw material pipe. Will pump to the top and then connect outside. Now that's the outside. That is all pipes with raw material. Then conveyor to the machinery reactors. Just now we already see from front side, there are also many different pipes. The pipes in the front of the reactor is for this raw material. Since we already see where the carbon, or we call coal, goes to, and now let's see where the oil goes to. This is the oil tank. This one, number 6. When this tank is full, it can discharge the oil from here directly from this pipe, then to this pipe, and then collected here directly, because underground in this area have another 2 very large oil tanks. So from temporary storage tank, all the oil collected directly to this tank. From this tank, then transfer from underground goes to that final product oil tank. Everything is automatically. But now in China, standard is very high. Everything is required to be automatically. This is the other oil tanks. More tanks. Welcome our new friends. Now you are in a doing group live showroom. Our new customers, welcome to our live showroom of doing group. Now what you see is the running site of coal tar pyrolysis machine. This machine is a special design to recycle coal tar or oil sludge. Now let's go to the front side to see what is the difference with a tire or plastic pyrolysis machine. From backside, we see the condenser is the same. The condenser can use water tank or the pipe condenser. We have two different designs. You can contact with our sales manager. We will give you suggestions which one is better for you. This is condenser and the oil tank. Now I will introduce you the furnace and the feeding of the material.这个能不能看到刚才拍的？ This is a semi-continuous machine. From backside and this reactor is all the same with the pyrolysis machine, tire and the plastic pyrolysis machine. The only difference is from here. Here the feeding is by pipes, but if for tire and the plastic, the feeding is by a conveyor. We have different conveyors for different materials. So firstly, please confirm your material and tell to us how do you want to do, and we will make a proposal for you and give you suggestions. Especially your factory sites, the size, give us the size. We will see if the machine, the place is enough for the machine. This is the semi-continuous machine. If you are going to recycling with the tire or with the plastic, from outside it's all the same, but only this feeding is a little different. The feeder is different, and inside the reactor is different. Because oil sludge and coal tar oil need to remove coking inside automatically, but for tire and plastic, it's no problem. Everything here is very formal. Discharge is still going on now. Welcome our new customers. Now you are in doing group live showroom of coal tar pyrolysis machine. My friends, if you are interested in this business, or if you're already in this business, you all can communicate with me here. And if I have any questions, I can answer you directly. Usually, our live show is not on site, so the time is very precise. If you have any questions or you want to see anywhere, you must tell us and we will show you in details. I think this will help you a lot for you to build the factory in the future. You can see our machine. There's no any leakage during discharge. It's very clean. Let me show you the other factory. This is the neighborhood. They use another factory machine. It's different. You can see the dust. The new see the blue sky today. Weather is very good. Let me introduce you our reactors in details. This insulation cover. Inside reactor is fully covered. So this reactor, the design is called a fully covered reactor. This can save a lot of energy because there's no energy loss during the process. So when one batch finishes, just turn on that cooling system, and the dropped fan will work to take out the hot air and suck in cold air. This can help reactor to cooling down. You can ask me directly or leave your question to our sales manager. Will contact with you. Today we already take another live show in Chinese. This is the second live show for English. From running site and from our manufacturing factory, you will see different aspects of this machine. Now you see the whole process and see the details for the installation and for the raw material and the final product. In our factory, you will see the manufacturing process and which material we used for this machine. So we sincerely invite you come to visit our factory in China, Zhengzhou city of Henan province. Hello, my friends from all over the world. Welcome to Doing Group lecture room. Now we are in the running site of oil sludge pyrolysis machine. if you are interested in this business, or you already have raw material, you don't know how to process it, you're in the right place now. You can contact with us. We are very professional for different raw materials of pyrolysis. Can you hear the voice? Now in our factory, we are manufacturing another 13 sets, the same machine. It's for oil sludge and for coal tar. If you have plan come to China in 1 month, welcome to visit our factory. You will see the inside structure of this machine. There's a special structure to avoid caulking. And George is asking, this is a huge, what capacity? This one, the size is diameter 2.8 meters. The length is 7.8 meters. But this is for oil sludge or for coal tar. The capacity of this one for oil sludge and coal tar is around 18 tons. But for tire and plastic, the machine diameter is 2.8 meters. The length will be 8.8 meters. The capacity will be 15 tons because the density of oil sludge is much higher. And the semi-continuous machine is, since they have the ready furnace, it looks bigger than the batch type machine. So about the capacity, we need to see what material it is. And Mr. George, you can leave your contact number, and later I will contact with you to check your raw materials and tell to you what capacity you will need. Mr. Ajay is asking, it is safe to keep reactor in open area? The life of reactor may reduce or metal parts will rust. Yes, this is a good question. Sure, in the open area is not good to the machinery, but in this area, you can see all the machinery is outside because in their factory have too many machines. All the factories around, it's all outside. But later they will make a shed. They will make shed to the reactors. But we can see from backside, the platform is very strong. All the small things, the small parts and the condensers, oil tanks is all under the platform. It's just like a shed. Now let's go to see the reactor area. Our new friends haven't seen the condensers. What is the efficiency of tire recycling pyrolysis plant? This friend, can you introduce in details what you want to ask? Efficiency, what means? You're asking for recycling time, or you're asking for the oil yield? What question you want to ask? You can describe it clearly. Mr. Ajay asking again the capacity. The capacity of this one is for oil sludge and coal tar. So the capacity is 18 tons. But for tires and plastic, the same size like this is around 15 tons. And this capacity, this size of reactor is the most popular one now. This is the condensers. Look, the platform made is very strong. Just like a platform. So only reactor is outside. In our opinion, it's better make a shed or workshop. Shed is better. In this factory, they make almost everything stainless steel. Look at the set, it's very strong. Here use directly I-beam. Always I-beam. Yeah. Now we come to this under this platform. See this buffer chamber. Oil will go to buffer chamber and discharge from here to underground. And it will collect in the front side with the collecting tank. This one discharging is going on now. From here, discharge to underground. This is the electric control system is under the platform. Welcome our new friends to our live showroom. What is the above platform? Above platform is a cooling system. In this factory, just the cooling water tank. Because, you know, for oil sludge, it's different with the tire and the plastic machine. Because this buffer chamber, the buffer chamber is very high, 3 meters high. They need to collect the heavy sludge oil to this conveyor, and from conveyor turn it back to reactor again. So this buffer chamber need to be very high. They must put the condensers also very high. So condensers is above the platform. Can you show the excess gas released to atmosphere through chimney ventilation? No, this excess, so it's very difficult for us to see any final product or any leakage or any raw materials. Everything is sealed. The raw material, we will start here to see the raw material. And it's all automatically, no need manpower. That is a raw material workshop. From the raw material, we will see the inlet. The waste from pyrolysis plant. Now, okay, let me show you again from the beginning to the end. When the raw material comes, we'll discharge here. In this area, have another very big oil tank underground is here. From underground, you can see this is one inlet of the oil tank. Here have pressure gauge. From here, transfer to the final product tank. and pump the raw material inside. This is the inlet. And the waste comes underground to this lifter, and then go to this hopper. Under the hopper, here have enough space for truck. This is for truck loading. This road, especially for truck loading. Truck will load the waste discharge directly go. Now are you clear, my friend? If other have any other questions, or our other new friends come to our live showroom. You have any questions? This is the live showroom of doing group for pyrolysis machine. This is the dedusting system. Welcome our new friends. Now our live show time is very limited. We will stop in 10 minutes. So if you have any questions or you want to learn more information, please communicate with us as soon as possible. Okay, our new friends. If you want to see anywhere else, or we will stop the live show in 5 minutes. Time is very limited. Okay, Mr. Ajay is asking again, the dedusting system is common or is common for all reactors? Yes, yes, it's common for all reactors together. We can see from the big pipe. See, all connected together. And for carbon black discharge, also shares one. Everything is sealed. I have come here for many times, but I never seen the raw material and never seen their final oil and also even the coal and everything. It's all sealed very well. The whole process has from different aspects. If you want to learn more information about pyrolysis, you can focus us and we will introduce you more details. Our company, we already have 13 years experience for manufacturing this machine. And now we have different capacities from 100 kilogram to 50 tons capacity for different materials of with the tyre, pyrolysis, plastic, oil sludge, coal tar, and biomass. Also have for aluminum plastic pyrolysis machine. If have any case, have any opportunity, I can go to running machine site. I will give you a live show on site. So please focus and follow our live show. We will show you more details. We will discuss more about this business. Okay, now time is up. We have to say bye-bye.